Hello, friends! Today, we're going to learn about some fun shapes. Let's start with the first one. This is a circle. A circle is round and has no corners. Next, let's look at a square. A square has 4 equal sides. Now, we have the triangle. A triangle has 3 sides. Here's the rectangle. A rectangle has 4 sides. Now, let's learn about the oval. An oval is like a stretched out circle. This is a star. A star has sharp points that stretch out from the middle. Now, let's add 6 more fun shapes. This is a diamond. A diamond has 4 slanted sides and looks like a jewel. Here's the crescent. A crescent is a curved shape like the moon. This is a pentagon. A pentagon has 5 sides. Next, we have the hexagon. A hexagon has 6 sides. Look, this is an octagon. An octagon has 8 sides. Finally, we have the heart. The heart is a special shape that shows love. Great job, everyone! You've learned about 12 shapes today. Circle, square, triangle, rectangle, oval, star, heart, diamond, crescent, pentagon, hexagon, and octagon. Can you find these shapes around you? Keep practicing, and you'll be a shape expert in no time. Thanks for learning with us today. See you soon for more fun lessons.